excited to perform this song. This is a song that I fell in love with from an 8-track of my dad's. Anybody remember 8-tracks? No. Jalissa does not know what that is, but that's what music used to come on. It's by Billy Joel, and it's called Vienna. And it's about a song about stopping all the rushing around, trying to achieve everything, and finding your happy place, which according to him at this point was Vienna. But finding that place you can go to find some peace and to restore your sanity. So we've been taking piano together for about a year now. My whole goal in taking piano was to be able to perform this song with this girl. So this is a dream come true for me here tonight. So,
wow.